You already getting it all figured out?
You bet I am.
Okay, great.
That's how you make a fire right there.
Looking good,
Yep. Alright, grilled cheese 101. You put that one there. You put that one there. And then you just go like that. And bam! There you go. It's difficult, but with practice, yours will look just like this. Here goes Dad. Yep. Oh, well done, Dad. That's pretty exciting. And now, a banana. And now, that same banana wrapped in aluminum foil with his acquaintances. And now, a banana cooking in the coals. Got some bananas cooking in the coals here. Pretty good. And finally, a banana boat. There's our banana boat. Look at that. Right, we're cooking up some bacon. There you go. Got our all-American breakfast here.
Some bacon.
There you go, little bacon. I'll take this one. It's a little burnt because people like it.
No, you get one, whatever you want.
That's great.
There it is, Mount Randall. We're gonna climb right up that. There's Lake Michigan over there. There's Mom.
Okay, there's Joe and Mom, and we're gonna be hiking up. What's it called?
Mount Randall.
Mount Randall. We're going hiking up Mount Randall.
Sand Tower.
The Sand Tower. There you go. There's Joe run up the mountain. As far as he goes, man, I'm pretty tired out. There he goes. Thought we made it up to the top of the mountain, and there's Mom. She's coming, slow but sure. She's gonna make it all the way to the top here. And there's Joe.
Bridgman, Michigan has a water tower with this car in front of it. It also has a friendly market. And Lydia's down home cooking. Here's the menu for those interested, as well as some fresh berries. In conclusion, visit Bridgman, Michigan. It's historically significant and has a rich cultural background.
Oh, there he is. Oh, there's the deer.
There's another one. There's two of them.
He's looking at us. Where's the other deer? Oh, there he is. There's some wildlife right there. That's pretty exciting.
Two brothers there.
Got the second campfire tonight. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of butter. That's how you make camping chili. All right, it's cooking on the fire.
There's Joe working on the fire. What are you making, Joe?
I'm making some chili.
There you go. That's looking pretty good.
Ah.
Gosh, that looks great. Oh, look at that snazzy thing there. There's Mom. There's Mom with the... Where do you put it? On top of him?
Get that out of there.
You keep going because Joe does the top.
Joe's got to put some on the top there with this.
Make an oven.
It's cooking
It's
now.
going to cook. There's Joe. There's Mom.
That's what I'm talking about.
There's the oven. Great.
All right, we're gonna check it.
There you go. There's your apple pie cooking there. It's about half done. There you go. Make sure that cooks. Okay, here we go. We're getting the apple pie out
Slow
of
down
it.
a little bit. Oh, we got it, wake up.
There you go.
Look at that.
There you go.
There's apple pie.
That's
There's
nice
Joe.
apple
There's
pie
Mom.
right there.
There it is. Okay.
Right.
There you go.
Okay.